Understanding on-ramp. Navigating the meanings in English. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a term you might have heard in different contexts: on-ramp. Whether you're a beginner or advancing in English, understanding phrases like this can really help in everyday conversations. So, let's get started and ramp up your English skills. An on-ramp is a term we often encounter in the context of driving. It refers to a short road used to accelerate and merge into the flow of traffic on a highway or motorway. Picture this: you're driving on a small road and want to join a major highway. The on-ramp is your pathway to blend smoothly into the faster-moving traffic. This literal meaning is straightforward, but it's essential for those learning English to visualize it, especially if they come from regions without large highways. Interestingly, on-ramp is also used metaphorically. In a broader sense, it can describe any process or system that helps someone begin or engage in something more complex or challenging. For example, in technology, an on-ramp might be an easy-to-follow guide for using a new software. In careers, it could refer to a training program that prepares new employees. This metaphorical use is popular because it conveys the idea of easing into something more demanding. You might hear on-ramp used in various settings. For example, education. This course is an on-ramp to advanced physics. Career advice. Internships are great on-ramps into the professional world. Personal development. Think of this book as an on-ramp to understanding mindfulness. Recognizing this phrase in conversation can help you grasp the contextual nuances of what's being discussed. Let's put it into practice. I'll give a few sentences, and let's figure out if they use on-ramp, literally or metaphorically. The on-ramp to the interstate was congested this morning. Our company offers an on-ramp program for recent graduates. Learning basic vocabulary is an on-ramp to mastering a new language. After each sentence, we'll discuss the usage, enhancing your understanding of on-ramp in real-life contexts. And there we have it, the journey down the on-ramp of understanding this versatile phrase. I hope this video has been an informative on-ramp to expanding your English vocabulary. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to revisit this video if you need a refresher. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.